Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
I have just fallen in love with this ceiling light. This is by Edwarmlux and it is a 12.6 drum light that is semi-flush ceiling light. And it has a beautiful brush gold, metal, and a fabric shade. These two combo together just give a really cozy and sophisticated vibe. This also holds 3 E26 bulbs, so it's going to produce a decent amount of light. I chose to put this in my kitchen and it has been a really nice light, not too bright, not too dull, just a really nice light for my kitchen. This light was really easy to install. My husband and I installed it ourselves and it came with everything that you would need to hang. It has the bracket and very nice instructions on exactly how this should be hung. There is a frosted glass piece that goes at the bottom of this light and that really helps to diffuse the light to just give a really pretty ambiance. I absolutely love this modern, very cozy light. I think it's just really added a lot to my kitchen and I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.